Hi viewers, good day. Today, we are taking a walk through the famous Bahia Palace in Morocco. I'll be sharing some amazing facts about this incredible place as we explore. This is the main gate of the palace. You will see orange trees everywhere in Morocco. Per person ticket is for 10 euros. Let me take you on a journey through this masterpiece of Moroccan architecture. Bahia means brilliance or beautiful in Arabic, and honestly, it couldn't be more fitting. This palace was designed to dazzle, and it absolutely delivers. This part was under construction as recently an earthquake has hit Marrakech.
मैं बिल्कुल लो एनर्जी नहीं फील कर रहा मेरे पैर काट रहे हैं मतलब दर्द कर रहा है लेफ्ट वाला पैर में राइट नहीं कर रहा अभी रेस्ट कर रहा है तब राइट कर रहा था
Just look at these intricate stucco carvings, the colorful painted cedarwood ceilings, and the stunning Zelai tilework. Fun fact, this is one of the first buildings in North Africa to feature stained glass as decoration. How cool is that? Let me put authentic Moroccan music in the background for you to enjoy. Now, as we walk through the gardens, take a deep breath. You'll smell orange blossoms and jasmine. These lush courtyards were designed to feel like an oasis. With fountains and greenery everywhere, and check out this massive courtyard we're standing in. The floor is made of Italian Carrara marble, 1,500 square meters of it. Talk about luxury. Let's dive into some history while we explore. The palace was originally built in the 1860s by Simausa, who was the Grand Vizier of Sultan Hassan I. He wanted to create the most magnificent palace of his time, and he succeeded. Please consider subscribing if you like the video. I post 4K walking tour video from across the world every week. Every detail here tells a story, And while we can't go inside the harem section today, it's off limits. That's where Bou Ahmed's wives and concubines lived in absolute luxury, with silk panels and stained glass everywhere. Today, Bahia Palace is no longer a royal residence, but a museum that showcases Morocco's rich heritage. It even hosts cultural events from time to time. Looks like someone really liked art here. Here's a fun fact about the cordonnière, or Grand Courtyard, that's surrounded by 50 to wooden columns and was built on the ruins of old gardens and horse stables. Fascinating, right? This massive courtyard is the heart of Bahia Palace, with a floor made of Italian Carrara marble and bordered by blue and white Moroccan mosaics. Fountains and a central pond add to its breathtaking beauty. Everyone is enjoying the sun, I guess. So whether you're admiring its architecture or just soaking up its history, this place is truly unforgettable. Alright, let's keep exploring, there's so much more to see. Let me walk you through the garden. Alright, we're coming to the end of our tour now. It's been such a pleasure walking through Bahia Palace with all of you. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to check out my other videos from Morocco. I'm sure you'll love exploring the vibrant streets of Marrakech and beyond. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next adventure.